So if you guys are like me, you like to try out some new products, and this is a quick cure clay. Cures with a heat tool. Colorize instantly with ink, paint, and mediums. Easy to sculpt and mold. So I thought, let's give that a try. What it says is it's a pliable clay. Cures in minutes just to use a heat tool. There's no need for a kiln or oven. Hold the heat tool 6 inches away from the object you're curing, depending on the size. It takes 1 to 2 minutes to start the process. When reaction is started when you see a small whiff of smoke from the clay, turn off the heat tool and the heat will propagate throughout the rest of the piece. Repeat as needed. Okay, I think I'll just start with the clay as it comes to start with. Now, this stuff is kind of sticky, so I'm going to use a little bit of Art Guard because I don't know what's in this clay, and I don't really want it migrating into my skin. So let me just put a little Art Guard on. So I went through several different trials. One of the things that I found is that because it's so sticky, I have a hard time getting it to release from the molds. Now, I don't know, I probably could just go ahead and cook it right in the mold, but I didn't want to take a chance of melting any of my molds, and that'll probably be next. But I tried different release agents, whether it was ink or powder or whatever I had on hand, to see if I could get it to release from the mold. And you see me struggling with different things here, but that's the way it is when you're experimenting. I'll be back. Okay, that was 2 minutes. And you can see this is now hard. So it does cure. Now I just have to figure out the whole molding part of it. This is hot. This is very hot because I used my heat tool, right? But let me see if I can get it up on something so I can show it to you guys. This whole thing is very hard. And there it is. See, it's hard and hot. So don't burn yourself, but I do have an angel there, and I can use this as an embellishment on something. So I'm going to play with this some more and figure it out, and I'll try to give you some more updates in the future. Okay, folks, true confession time. I've been in the clearance aisle. I need this stuff like a hole in the head, but the prices were so good I couldn't pass them up. I mean, foam stamps. These are like those art foamy ones. They're from Momenta. 74 cents, right? 74 cents. Got that one. I got a star. Really cool foam stamps. I had another one. It'll show up. It'll show up. Oh yeah, there it is. 74 cents a piece. Oh, feathers. Yeah, I got feathers. 2 of them. 2 different feathers. In foam stamps, right? All right, that's not even $3 there. That's pretty cool. Then I was at Tuesday morning, and I saw these Bria Reese glitter inks. I really like these. I didn't know if I had this green or orange. So yeah, it was $1.99. I had to pick them up, right? Archival ink, right? Archival ink, usually $5.99, is going for $1.49. And I got 2 colors I don't own. I don't know how I could have these, not have these. Prickly Pear and what's this one? bright something. Let me open it up, find out what it is. Bright Tangelo. Yeah. Bright Tangelo and Prickly Pear, $1.49 each. Gotta love archival ink. Okay, that was from Hobby Lobby. Then, continuing on with Hobby Lobby, I got really cute buttons and these little flea market charms. Look at the llama and the cactus and the pineapple. I mean, they're just cute, right? There's little mermaid stuff. $1.24 and 99 cents. More 99-cent stars. Then I got feathers, 99 cents. There's white with silver tip. There's black with gold tip. Those are pretty cool. Florals. Yeah, I got florals. These were anywhere from $1.24 to $1.74. These are Prima. These are Paper Studio. Probably all from the same place, but pretty cute flowers at the right price. I mean, this stuff was $6.99, $5.99. Yeah, crazy. All right, and then these. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little fabric decals, applique. Aren't those adorable? $1.49. More spare parts, $1.24 for these letters. Got a stencil brush. This is a 1-inch stencil brush for 99 cents. From Momenta. I got I don't know if you've seen these pigment inks from Delicata. They are gorgeous, shimmery inks. But they're usually $11. $11. Yeah. $2.74. So let me see if I can show you what this looks like, because these inks, I've got them in several different colors. And I really enjoy them. Looks like somebody had just unwrapped this one, probably playing around to see what color it was. And so it got marked down. Let's see if I got something to apply that to. Here's a piece of paper. And I can show you. This is a, what do they call this? Champagne. It's got the iridescent shimmer to it. This would look better on black if I had a piece of black over here. Don't know where my black is right now. But, yeah, trust me, it's like a champagne gold. Really pretty color. And those are all Hobby Lobby. This was Hobby Lobby decorative tape. This one has mermaids. $1.49. Says Let's Be Mermaids on it. And then this one was $3.74. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rolls in there for $3.74. It was originally $15. What else have we got here? Oh, a small stencil brush for 74 cents. Look at these guys. Aren't these cute? These are little adhesive embroidery pieces. I have a friend I know would like this. And the girls and the bee. 74 cents for the bee iron-on applique. And what else? Oh, yeah. Stamps. I probably don't really need stamps, but I got them. I got them. I got several of these sticker sheets for 99 cents because they're always useful. And another sticker sheet, 99 cents. These are all 99 cents. So it's like 75% off, you know. And then stamps. Illustrated Faith, $2.49. Prayer, faith, God, His, He, grace, love, grow, is, my, and hello, loves me, you. I mean, starting, bloom, prayer. It's just really cool stamps, $2.49. Mermaid set. Cute little mermaid set, $2.49. This is from Stampability, usually $10. This one is $1.49. Feathers, yeah, I'm a sucker for feather. This Fiskars one is words again. Was $10, now $3.74. Today I will create something beautiful, design, enchant, nurture, beauty. I mean, great words, right? Then these are from Art Impressions, and I love Art Impression stamps. This one is so cute. I love you, a whole sloth. So cute. Thanks, a sloth. I love you so much. Have a sloth some birthday. Yeah, it's all about sloths. Too cute. And this one is the chickens. These were $14 for $3.49. Early bird can have the worm. I'll see you at noon with a latte. God, I love them. Oh, frap. Aging is not for chickens. Oh my God, these are so stinking cute, right? Okay, not done yet, right? Found these. They're called glitter brush set. I don't know, $1.74, but it's like the silicone brushes in a small size. So I don't know if they mean it to spread glue with or what, but they're nice silicone brushes in a nice small size. Glitter brush. Perfect for glitter. Yeah, perfect for a lot of things. A 1 inch and a 3/4 inch angle. $1.74. And then I was at Tuesday morning, and yeah, I saw these Mr. Hooey Misters. They're usually $17.99 for $4.99, and I think they're from American Craft, and I think they're permanent. And I saw these colors, and I liked these colors, so I'm going to give them a try. Yeah, this is kind of an orange, kind of a blue-green. They call it pool, I think. No, sea foam. And letter jacket must be red, sea foam, and this one is bookworm. So those sound like some fun colors, right? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's kind of an orangey red. I want to wipe that off though. And this is that sea foam. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. And this is the green, which is bookworm. They had other sets, but this is like a green gold. The bookworm. Pretty colors. So I thought, yeah, those would be great. That's going to dry down, I'm sure, a lot lighter. Kind of a weird spatter pattern. See how it really concentrates there and then it spatters? I'm going to have to remember to hold those out a ways. Okay, and then very last but not least, I found these die cut embossing stencil, it says, in angel wings. How cute is that? $3.99. Trying to see who the company is. Oh, Provo Craft, Cuttlebug. No, they didn't make it. Who made it? Angel Wings made it. Doris. Okay. So you got 3 sets of wings. Love it. Okay, enough for shopping. I never did get what I went after. Go figure. Talk to you later.